Welcome to my channel. Router firmware update failed? Here's what to do. Step 1. Make sure your internet is working. Before trying the update again, check that your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can cause the firmware update to fail. Step 2. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple step can fix many temporary software issues. Step 3. Reboot your computer or phone. If you're updating the router through a browser or app, restart the device you're using. This can clear minor glitches that may interfere with the update. Step 4. Use an Ethernet cable. Whenever possible, connect your computer directly to the router with an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is more reliable than Wi-Fi during firmware updates. Step 5. Check that you have the correct firmware. If you're uploading the firmware manually, make sure the file matches your router's exact model number. Installing the wrong firmware can cause update errors. Step 6. Try a different web browser. Sometimes browser-related issues can prevent updates from completing. If you're using Chrome, try Edge, Firefox, or another browser. Step 7. Clear your browser cache. Old cached files may cause problems when accessing the router's settings page. Clearing the cache can help the update process run smoothly. Step 8. Temporarily disable VPNs or security software. VPNs, firewalls, and antivirus programs can occasionally block firmware downloads or installations. Turn them off briefly and try the update again. Step 9. Reset the router if the problem continues. If multiple update attempts fail, consider performing a factory reset. Be sure to save your router settings first, as a reset will erase custom configurations. Step 10. Contact the router manufacturer. If the firmware update still won't install, visit the manufacturer's support page or contact their support team. They may have a newer firmware file or additional troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching.